Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. Today we will present about patient admission and patient perfectance. Before that, I want to introduce our team. They are me, Wulan, Miss Diar, Miss Yuliana, Mr. Joko, Miss Salsabila, and Miss Intari. Okay, next. Kak Farihatun, bisa di next, Kak? Maaf.
Belum keganti, Kak.
Ya, oke. Table of contents. Number 1, conversation, welcoming a new patient. Number 2, word power, medical terms. Number 3, useful expression. Number 4, language focus, yes or no question, WH question. Number 5, present perfect tense. Number 6, exercise.
Yang number 1 ada conversation, welcome a new patient. Boleh diganti ke slide-nya? Okay. Conversation welcoming a new patient. Joko has gotten fever for 2 days. His temperature increased. His parents finally decide to bring him to the hospital. After arriving in the hospital, his mother is the admission room to register Joko. After that, Joko is being examined by a doctor helped by a nurse. Front officer. Welcome to Commonwealth Hospital. Can I help you, Mom?
Yes.
Mrs. Ya, lanjut, Kak.
Yes, I like to register my son. He has gotten fever for 2 days and his temperature gets higher today.
Has he ever been hospitals or visit a doctor here?
Never.
Okay, so we need to fill in the admission form for the patient medical record.
Sure.
What's your son's name?
Joko. Next slide.
When was he born?
June 50, 2000.
Where is your address?
Saint Avenue Street number 4.
I have your phone number as a parent.
Sure. 087869992.
Okay, so the complaint is fever. Anything else?
No.
Okay then, so please wait while your son is being examined by our doctor.
Okay.
Yang number 2 ada word power, medical terms.
Word power, medical terms. Words meaning translation. Aphasia, inability to walk atau ketidakmampuan untuk berjalan. Abatement, reduction or elimination of public health. Nuisance such as smoke, loud noise, etc. Pengurangan atau penghapusan gangguan kesehatan masyarakat seperti asap, suara bising, dan lain-lain. A back shell lying outside the axis of anybody or parts, berbaring di luar sumbu siapapun atau sebagian. Abdomen, the part of the body between the chest and hip region, the front of anterior portion, bagian tubuh antara daerah dada dan pinggul, bagian depan atau anterior. Abdominogenital, relation to abdomen and genital organs, berkaitan dengan perut dan organ genital. Abdominopelvic, relating to the abdomen and pelvis, berkaitan dengan perut dan panggul. Abdominoplasty, an operation performed on the abdominal wall for cosmetic purpose, operasi yang ditujukan pada dinding perut untuk tujuan kosmetik. Abduction, movement of body part away from the median plane of the body, gerakan bagian tubuh menjauh dari bidang median tubuh. Aberrant, differing from the normal, beda dari biasanya. Next.
Aberration, deviation from the normal pattern. Penyimpanan dari pola normal. Abetalipoproteinemia, a disorder characterized by a absence of low density beta-lipoprotein, presence of acanthocytes, include degeneration of retinal pigment malabsorption, and neuromuscular abnormalities. Gangguan yang ditandai dengan tidak adanya beta-lipoprotein densitas rendah, adanya acanthocytes dalam darah, degenerasi pigmen retinal, malabsorpsi, dan kelainan neuromuskular. Absence, a state of temporary abolition of function, keadaan penghapusan sementara fungsi. Ability, the physical, mental, or legal competence to function. Kompetensi fisik, mental, atau hukum untuk berfungsi. Abiotic, incompatibility with life without life, ketidakcocokan dengan kehidupan tanpa kehidupan. Abiotrophy, an age-dependent manifestation of a genetically determined trait, manifestasi yang bergantung pada usia dari sifat yang ditentukan secara genetik. Ablastin, an antibody that seems to inhibit reproduction of trypanosome found in rats. Antibody yang tampaknya menghambat reproduksi trypanosome ditemukan pada tikus. Ablate, to remove or to destroy the function of, untuk menghapus atau menghancurkan fungsi. Ablution, an act washing or bathing, tindakan mencuci atau mandi. Next.
Nanti kalau udah mau giliran ya. Oke, abnormal, not normal, atau tidak normal. Abort, to remove the embryo of fetus from the mother's womb before is viable, untuk mengeluarkan embrio janin dari rahim ibu sebelum layak. Abortifacient, an agent that produce abortion, agent yang menghasilkan aborsi. Abortigenic, producing abortion, memproduksi aborsi. Abortion, removal, spontaneous or introduce of an embryo or fetus from the uterus before it reach the stage when it can survive outside the womb. Pengangkatan secara spontan atau induksi embrio atau janin dari rahim sebelum mencapai tahap saat ia dapat bertahan hidup di luar rahim. Apraxia, congenital absence of arms, tidak adanya lengan bawaan. Abraciocephaly, congenital absence of arms and head, tidak adanya lengan dan kepala bawaan. Abscess, a collection of pus usually associated with redness, swelling, and pain. Kumpulan nanah biasanya berhubungan dengan kemerahan, bengkak, dan nyeri. Oke, next.
Absorption, the incorporation or soaking in of substance, solid, liquid, gas, like or heat by a system, penggabungan atau perendaman zat padat cair, gas, cahaya, atau panas oleh suatu sistem. Abstinence, to refrain from the use of certain components of diet, alcohol, drugs, or from sexual intercourse. menghindari penggunaan komponen makanan, alkohol, obat-obatan tertentu, atau dari hubungan seksual. Abrasion, removal of the superficial layers of skin or mucous membrane, usually seen as a skin wound. Pengangkatan lapisan superficial kulit atau selaput lendir biasanya terlihat sebagai luka kulit. Abuse. Number 1, misuse or excessive use of anything. 2, harmful or offensive treatment, physical or sexual, of an individual. Penyalahgunaan atau penggunaan apapun secara berlebihan. 2, perlakuan yang merugikan atau menyinggung fisik atau seksual seseorang. Anterior, toward the front of the body, menjelang tubuh bagian depan. Bacillus, a family of rot-like bacteria causing disease in man. Sebuah keluarga bakteri seperti batang yang menyebabkan penyakit pada manusia. Bakteri, an eruption of pus-filled cavities on the palps and soles as an allergic reaction to bacterial infection at a distant site. Letusan rongga berisi nanah di telapak tangan dan telapak kaki sebagai reaksi alergi terhadap infeksi bakteri di tempat yang jauh. Oke, next.
Next, bacteriology. To cause the digestion or collision of the bacteria. Untuk penyebab pencernaan atau pembubaran bakteri. Bacterium, a single adult microorganism that metabolism by cell division. Mikroorganisme bersel tunggal yang multiplik dengan pembelahan sel. Balonoplasty, the visible reconstruction of Glenn Spanish. Rekonstruksi bedah untuk Glenn Spanish. Balanospitis, inflammation of Glenn Spanish and prepuces. Radang kelenjar penis dan kulus. Balatidiasis, disease caused with Bacterium coli with symptoms of diarrhea, dysentery, abdominal pain, and weight loss. Penyakit yang disebabkan oleh Bacterium coli dengan gejala diare, disentri, sakit perut, dan penurunan berat badan. Binding, the process of the division binding of chromosomes of cells to reveal the characteristic the person of band and that permit identification of individual chromosomes and recognition of missing segments. Proses pewarnaan diferensial kromosom sel untuk mengungkapkan pola karakteristik pita yang memungkinkan identitas kromosom individu, pengenalan segmen yang hilang. Brainstem, the inter-outward subdivision of the brain that forms tag-like connection. Seluruh bagian otak yang tidak berpasangan yang membentuk koneksi seperti tangkai. Brainwashing, making the change in the attitudes and behavior of personal variant form of physical pressure, melakukan perubahan sikap dan perilaku seseorang melalui berbagai bentuk tekanan psikologis.
Brain, a byproduct of milling of wheat containing approximately 20% of complex sugar, usually taken in the form of cereal or special brain product at 5 to diet. Produk sampingan dari penggilingan gandum mengandung sekitar 20% kompleks. Biasanya diambil dalam bentuk sereal atau produk bedak khusus menambahkan serat dalam makanan. List number 1, the female organ or milk secretion. Number 2, the pectoral surface of the thorax. Nomor 1, organ wanita atau sekresi tisu. Kemudian ada permukaan dada di dada. Breathing, the process of taking air into and out of the lung through the nose. Proses mengeluarkan udara masuk dan keluar paru-paru melalui hidung. Bronchiectasis, dilatation of bronchioles or the internal structure of the lung associated with production of thick sputum. Pelebaran bronchiolus atau struktur internal paru-paru ini berhubungan dengan proses produksi sputum yang kental. Bronchiolitis, inflammation and swelling of the bronchiole, yaitu peradangan dan pembengkakan pada bronchiolus. Bronchogram, special X-ray to visualize the lung airway. X-ray khusus untuk memvisualisasikan saluran udara paru-paru. Brush biopsy, obtained by rubbing the surface of the affected area with a brush to a bit obtain cell for examination, yaitu diperoleh dengan menggosok permukaan area yang terkena dengan kuas untuk mendapatkan sel untuk pemeriksaan.
Ya, lanjut. Ada burn, an injury caused by hurt or fire or any chemical agent like acid or alkali. Artinya yaitu cedera yang disebabkan oleh panas atau api atau bahan kimia seperti asam atau alkali. Bypass, to create new flow from one structure to the other through a channel. Untuk membuat aliran baru dari satu struktur ke struktur lainnya melalui saluran. Cesarean, an operation for delivering a child by cutting through the wall of the abdomen and the uterus, yaitu operasi untuk melahirkan anak dengan memotong sumur perut dan rahim. Caffeine, a substance obtained from tea or coffee used as a stimulant. Zat yang diperoleh dari teh atau kopi yang digunakan sebagai stimulan. Calcaneus, the bone that from the heel, tulang yang berbentuk tumit. Cardiomyopathy, a disease heart muscle, otot jantung yang sakit. Calcification, deposition of calcium salts, deposisi garam kalsium. Calcinosis, a condition characterized by the deposition of calcium salt in various tissues. Kondisi yang ditandai dengan pengendapan garam kalsium di berbagai jaringan. Cepal, head, kepala. Chrome, color, warna. Deep, closer to the center of the body, lebih dekat ke tengah tubuh.
Oke, distal, further from the point of attachment or point of reference, lebih jauh dari titik lampiran atau titik acuan. Derm, skin, kulit. DOB, death of birth, kematian lahir. Enter, intestine, usus. Gastro, stomach, perut. Hemat, blood, darah. Lateral, toward the side of the body, ke arah samping tubuh. M or F, male or female, pria atau wanita. Marital status, widow, widower, married, unmarried, janda atau duda, menikah atau belum menikah. Muscle, otot. Male, spinal cord, sumsum tulang belakang. Onyx, nail, kuku, oste, bone, atau tulang. Oke, next.
But eat or swallow, makan atau telan. Flub, vein, pembuluh darah. Posterior, toward the back of the body, ke arah belakang tubuh. Pulmon, lungs, paru-paru. Superficial, closer to the surface of the body, lebih dekat ke permukaan tubuh. Synovial fluid, joint or membran, cairan sendi atau selaput sinovial. Thrombus, menggumpal. Vas, vessel or duct, saluran. Next. Number 3, useful expression for asking patient information. Next.
Useful expression. The following are some useful expressions used for asking patient information. To ask name. What is your name? What is your complete name? What is your surname? May I know your name? To ask age. How old are you? When were you born? To ask address. What is your address? Where do you live? Your address, please. To ask phone. Your phone number, please. May I know your phone number? Can I have your phone number? What is your phone number? Do you have a mobile phone number? To ask occupation, title, and education. What is your occupation? Your occupation, please. Do you have any academic title? What do you do? Where do you work? What is your title? What is your last education? To ask marital status. Are you married? May I know your marital status? To ask health insurance. Do you have any health insurance? Will you use health insurance? Next.
Next, to ask next of kin. Who is your next of kin? May I know your next of kin? To ask reason for contact. What brings you in this hospital? Who sends you to this hospital? What makes you come to this hospital? Why do you come to the hospital? What are you suffering for? What seems to be the trouble? Number 4, practice playing a role as a nurse.
Okay, next.
Number 5, language focus, yes or no question and who questions.
Number 1, yes or no question. A question in which the answer is yes, I know. Yes for no question used to be a model of auxiliary before a subject of sentence. Look at the following formula. Positive sentence, to be or model or auxiliary plus subject plus verb or plus object. Negative sentence, to be or model or auxiliary plus note plus subject plus verb plus or object. A. Example, with to be Number 1, for nominal sentence is to be plus s plus adjective or noun or adverb. Is it your book? Answer, yes, it is, or no, it is not. Are you hungry? Answer, yes, I am, or no, I am not. Number 2, for continuous tenses, to be plus s plus being. Are you reading a book? Answer, yes, I am, or no, I am not. Was she studying last night at 8? Answer, yes, she was, or no, she wasn't. Number 3, for passive voice, to be plus s plus verb 3 plus 0. Is the prescription given to you? Answer, yes, it is, or no, it is not. Are the disease was? Answer, yes, they are, or
For example, with do, does, and did. Doesn't he live in London? Answer, yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. Do you like coffee? Answer, yes, I do, or no, I don't. Did eat any spicy food? Answer, yes, she did, or no, she did, no, she didn't. And C, example with modal. Can you open your mouth, please? Answer, yes, I can. No, I can't. Will you attend the seminar? Answer, yes, I will. No, I won't. May I have your phone number? Answer, yes, you may. No, you may not. Must I take all the medicine? Answer, yes, you must. No, you must not. Could you please take a glass of water for me? Answer, yes, I could. No, I couldn't. The example with have, has, and had. Have or has or had plus subject plus verb 3. Have you examined the patient? Answer, yes, I can. Or no, I can. Has he been well? Answer, yes, he has, or no, he hasn't. Okay, next. We-H question. This is a question initiated with we-H question, and the answer is more informative and clear. What, apa, who, siapa menanyakan subjek, whom, siapa menanyakan subjek, where, di mana atau kemana, when, kapan, why, kenapa, who, bagaimana. A, asking a subject, who or what, plus verb plus object. For example, who accompanies you? Who wrote this letter? What happens? B, asking object or complement or adverb. He, W plus auxiliary plus subject plus verb 1. Example, what do you feel? Why are you so pale? When will the exhibition end? Where is the emergency room? Which one do you want? Who did you call and who does our desk? Okay, next. Number 6, practice. Next.
Okay, next.
Number 7, reading exercise. Next. Reading exercise. Bisikan referral letter in Indonesian is known as surat rujukan. A patient with bisikan referral letter comes to a hospital with various reasons. Read the following example of the letter. Dear Dr. Joko Pranata, Anytown facility is pleased to announce its recent acquisition of the ultra premium Akoson Sequoia CH152 echocardiography system for our cardiology department. The Sequoia C152 system will provide us with maximum diagnostic information and increased exam efficiency through significantly advanced acoustic imaging using proprietary transmit and receive ultrasound technology. Siemens has elevated the performance of the Sequoia ultrasound platform by combining new system architecture and transducer technologies. As a result, we have a better instrument to evaluate all of our patients with. Our Sequoia system supports all routine applications for adult, pediatric, and neonatal cardiology as well as cardiovascular imaging. Additionally, we are able to perform a breadth of imaging capabilities including transthoracic, transesophageal stress echo, intracardiac, intraoperative, and 3D cardiography, as well as routine and investigational contrast agent imaging, vascular, and abdominal imaging. Next.
And with the new Qing arterial package, we can evaluate cardiac risk factors and qualify cardiovascular age with automatic media thickness measurements. Additionally, the new mitral valve assessment application allows for a rapid 3D 4D evaluation of mitral valve morphology and pathology. Finally, with the DMAX integrates ultrasound workstation completely embedded into the platform architecture, we can digitally capture a complete patient study, including demography, static image, dynamic clips, measurement, and calculation, and store in the negative decom file format for instant access and review on the system. We invite the to contact us at 000000 contact phone with any question you may have regarding our new imaging capabilities with the Sequoia C512 system. In addition, we welcome an opportunity to personally demonstrate the system diagnostic imaging capabilities for you. Sincerely, Albert. Next.
Hi.
Present perfect tense. Next. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to denote a situation or situation that has started in the past and is still present or has been complete at the certain point in time in the past, but the effects is still ongoing. We use the present perfect tense to denote an event which has occurred in an unspecified time. This tense is formed by formed by the auxiliary verb have or has and the past participle or verb V3. Subject I, you, we, they. Auxiliary verb have. And then subject he, she, it. Auxiliary verb has. Next. Present perfect tense, we can distinguish the present perfect tense into two types, including verbal tense or using verb and nominal tense, which describe people, object, or abstraction. Number one, present perfect tense verbal. This is a tense used in explaining an action or event that has been complete. However, in this case, it is not emphasized on the information on the time held. In addition, the present perfect tense can also be used to the life experience and activities or what has been done or has occurred in the past and is still ongoing today. Number two, present perfect tense nominal. The nominal present perfect tense is a tense that cannot use a verb, but instead use a noun, adjective, and adverb. Next.
1. Verbal present perfect tense formula. Formulas for positive, negative, and interrogative sentence. 1. Positive sentence, subject plus have or has plus verb 3. Example, she has worked in the hospital for 6 years and I have fixed in my computer. 2. Negative sentence, subject plus have or has plus not plus verb 3. Example, she hasn't worked in the hospital. I have not fixed in my computer. 3. Question sentence, have or has plus subject plus verb 3. Example, has she worked in the hospital for 6 years? Have I fixed in my computer? Okay, next.
Number 2, nominal present perfect tense formula. Formulas for positive, negative, and interrogative sentence. Number 1, positive sentence, subject plus has or have plus been plus object. Example, Brandon has been recovered from illness. We have been back from office. Number 2, negative sentences. Subject plus has or have plus not plus been plus ought. Example, Brandon has not been recovered from illness. We have not been back from office. Question sentences. Has or have plus subject plus been plus ought. Example, has Brandon been recovered from illness? Have we been back from office? Okay, next. Time, Mas Joko.
Time signal. A form sign still before yet already. Just ever, never, lately, recently, so far. Next. What's this? Present perfect tense.